Hey everyone, welcome back. In this episode, I'll be painting the two drinking buddies from Tabletop World's Altburg Market Kickstarter. These models were designed and 3D printed by Tiny Furniture. I'll mostly be using the layering technique and shade to paint them. I'll also talk about the importance of sealing your painted miniatures and how to choose the right varnish for different effects. The models I'm painting have already been cleaned and primed. I'm gonna show you all the paint colors that I'll use. For more details on the layering technique, check out last week's video, in which I painted the waitress and the waiter. Feel free to share your thoughts and ask questions in the comment section. Alright, this week I'll share why it's crucial to protect your painted miniature, and I'll give you tips to help you pick the best spray or coating for different looks. So you completed painting your miniature and you'd like to preserve its color for a long time? Well, sealing painted miniature is a topic that's often overlooked. It may seem like an extra task, but trust me, it's a game changer in protecting your artwork. While seal your miniature is obvious, it will protect them from wear and tear. Miniature often endure handling. Sealing adds a protective layer, shielding them from chipping and scratches. It will guard them against dust and grime. Dust can settle on your miniatures, affecting their vibrant colors. Sealing creates a barrier, making it easier to keep your minis looking fresh. Sealing them will also prevent colors from fading. Exposure to sunlight over time can cause colors to fade. Sealing helps retain the vibrancy of your paint job for a long haul. Should your model accumulate a significant amount of dust over time, varnishing it beforehand will make it safer to clean it with a brush, even a damp one. There is 3 types of varnish. Matte varnish will create a non-reflective finish. This effect is best to maintaining a realistic subdued appearance. This sealer is ideal for historical miniatures. Personally, I prefer matte varnish since it doesn't create reflections when taking pictures. On the other hand, gloss varnish is shiny and will give a reflective finish. This sealer will create a vibrant and glossy look. Perfect for fantasy or sci-fi minis where you want bold colors to pop. I find gloss varnish useful to create a wet effect in the mouth and eyes of large monsters. Finally, satin varnish is a balanced finish between matte and gloss. It will produce a natural look with a bit of sheen. It's great for a variety of models. Satin varnish will help create a more natural appearance on clothing. Now, should you use spray or brush on sealer? Spray varnish provides a smooth, even coat, while brush on varnish offers more control. Choose based on your preference and the size of your miniature. In the example of my eye beast, I used a matte spray can to seal the entire model before varnishing the main eye and the inside of the mouth with gloss varnish. you're using a spray can or a brush on sealer for the first time, or if it's been a long time you haven't used it, test it on a scrap mini or a piece of plastic to ensure it achieves the desired effect. Old plastic frames are perfect for this kind of test. Remember, multiple thin coats will give a better result than one heavy coat. This prevents the varnish from pooling, drying cloudy, or obscuring fine details. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Rushing this step can lead to an uneven finish. Obviously, follow the instruction of the products you use to avoid harming your health. From experience, my final advice regarding varnish would be not to use spray can to seal your model if there's too much humidity in the air. The varnish particles will catch moisture before sticking to the model. The result could be catastrophic and could create whitish deposit on some parts or all of the model. If you liked this video and learned a few things, thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Remember, sealing your miniature is an investment in their longevity and the preservation of your artistic efforts. I'll use matte varnish to seal these models. For all your needs in paint or varnish, visit Fenris Workshop online store. If you use the affiliate link in the video description, we'll both receive loyalty points. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see the next episode of the Altburg Market series. I'll conclude the Hailstall painting sessions by adding the party animals to the festive gathering. Until next time, keep on painting and take care.